Alright boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. I join you from the side of the road with the 318 IS Saloon. And if you look, there's a little trail of fluid going all the way up Lewis Road. What is that? What do you think that is? Remember how I was talking about the water pump needing to be replaced soon? Yeah, that's what I was talking about. So the belt definitely went somewhere and ripped off the power steering line as well from underneath the little canister. Power steering fluids all over the floor. There's coolant all over the engine bay.
Hi guys.
It's looking good. Oh,
I think the car broke.
What the fuck happened? I heard loads of rattling and I just see smoke and you just rapidly pull back.
I reversed all the way from the lights.
Stop the clutch when you reverse.
Yeah, I did.
What happened?
It's broken. The belt escaped. It removed the power steering fluid return line.
That's why I had to... Yeah.
I thought it was scaffold.
E36 ownership live, so that's how it works. So Sadiq asked, so where did the belt go? And I was like, oh, it probably got shredded into a million pieces. Look at this. This is literally my belt. It's in the middle of the road. Nice. This is definitely wasted.
That's brand new though.
Definitely not cracked or about to die anyway. So it's the next day and I've kind of just abandoned the 318 IS for now. I still need to order a new water pump and a new belt and all of these other things that need doing to the car, but that's coming soon, so get excited for that. But for the time being, here are some street clips from the day before it broke. That was 360 entry, yeah? That is too much sexual. I didn't write it off though. Stop. Hope you enjoyed those. I am actually currently driving up to Sanapod Raceway to attend a Drift What You Brung event as a passenger, because as you can see, I'm in the daily and this thing isn't really drift prepped or anything like that, so I'm not gonna try to send it, but I will film some nice drift cars, maybe get some clips, maybe get a ride along with someone. Sanapod is always fun, so it should be some good content. An E36, it looks sick. Wow, green interior, wood steering wheel, literally cooked arches. This is correct. Amber corner lights, chrome grills, slick top. This is very correct. Weaselworks whip. Come on, if you lot don't know Weaselworks, he's sleeping. Check them out. The sun is in the way. Let me come on the other side. Damn. Look at this garden trim lip. It's pretty drift car spec. Oh, I like the hydro. That's neat. That's a really cool way of doing the hydro. Is it a light dash? Is it tan dash? Wow, that's cool. Tan dash is kind of rare in the UK, at least from what I've seen. Sexy headliner. Wow, this is a nice car. I didn't realize their car was so nice.
Yeah.
Go on, you're on camera now. You're under pressure.
Instagram's Jake Dale.
Jake Dale.
This is my M54 B36 coupe. Yeah.
My guy's doing it right. You know what? This is the engine. Basically, this is kind of what I'm heading towards as well. Not to spoil anything, but I'm looking at doing something like this. And this is an actual clean silver coupe shell sunroof with full interior. Look at that. Leather, nice. Look at how sexy his setup is. This is lovely. Very nice. This is kind of like what my car wishes it was. Could never be, because it's been written off too many times. Yeah, you were saying you running the 293 diff, right? Medium case?
Yeah, that's it. So originally I had the small case in there with small case shafts, but blew that up.
Nice.
So
but you said it didn't even blow up from drifting, it just blew up from normal driving.
Just normal driving, but I don't know who welded the diff. So
oh, okay.
One of those, but yeah.
Crazy.
So upgraded to medium case and it's been fine ever
since.
since.
Perfect. This is great. I can't wait to get a ride in it, bro. It looks so clean. I bet it's like actually nice and comfy and soft and stock. What suspension do you have?
Joms, I think.
Is it? Oh, yeah, so it'll be nice and boaty. We like that. I did want to film this as well because this actually just caught my eye. King's 325i coupe, slick top, light interior, manual, mismatched body panels, SE everything. Very good. So our lunchtime is over. Andy is here with Volvo. I think he crashed it, but it's looking so good. I think Adam Ivo is here, and this is obviously Boca's little compact. I'm gonna jump in his silver coupe though for a lap. There he is. All right, we're in the 3-liter car with Jake. Let's go. Woo! The sun is mental though. Hell yeah. Yo! Woo! Yeah! Sideline, hell yeah. Yo, dude, hell yeah. Yo.
We saved it.
Dude, that's crazy. Sick.
Link that one, man.
You're doing sick. It's about the outside line, I think, in the big corner.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is. And then handbrake, boom. That's it. You did it. Woo! Come on! Come on! Yeah, yeah! Bro, I'm hyped! So good, bro! Hell yeah!
Come on!
I love drifting so much.
Yeah, I'm out of time now.
Yeah, you gotta change them babies out. So I'm gonna look like a silhouette because the sun is behind me, but some notes because, you know, I feel like I'm kind of trying to not replicate that 3-liter car, but I kind of want to basically do the same drivetrain upgrade. He's running 205s and he said that they are like reasonably high pressure. So essentially, if I have 16s with low tire pressure and they're 205s or even wider, I think the 3-liter should be perfect for me because that thing eats. You can go proper sideways, but I'm trying to go a little bit faster, if that makes sense. Exciting times coming, so just stay tuned. You'll see some upgrades on the drift car. S14, nice. Boca compact, very nice. He's doing sick as well. I'm seeing him out on track doing madness. Adam lost his bumper on that run I was just at, bro. So good. All right. This is Adam Ivo. You lot know Adam Ivo. If you don't know Adam Ivo, you're sleeping. We're in his S15 proper harnesses. I was struggling with them. I'm harness noob.
I got you, man. It's all good.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we've been talking about drift games. We've been talking about some future drift things in the UK. But yeah, we're just chilling. So we're about to go out. We're next in line. Gonna get my second ever S15 experience. See how it differs. And apparently there's gonna be something funny on the dash when it hits rev limiter. So let's go.
It's so good. I don't want to spoil it, but I've got a picture of me on another S15 on my dash. You'll see it when it says. So it's like the best picture I've ever had.
All right. This banner looks so sick too.
It's my friend Ravi, who's from America. He's got a YouTube channel as well called V2 Lab.
Sick.
But Sorcery is his streetwear brand. So I rep him heavily because I love him.
Very nice.
Great guy.
Perfect.
I don't have an interior mirror, so I have to use that to check my GoPros on.
Nice. Oh, okay. So you gotta do some exercise. Yeah, I always have to check my GoPro as well.
The keys in the wheelchair's mad as fuck. It's gone straight over.
He's gonna get the content. There he is.
I'd really like to get out in front of everybody, really.
Yeah, I reckon you can do that because you'll be the fastest anyway. What size tires in the back?
225, 35, 18.
Oh, okay.
No, 255, 255.
255, okay. I was gonna say skinny boys.
No, 255, yeah.
255, okay, nice. Let's get it.
Oh, that bit's so slippery there.
Oh my god! Bro, that was sick! Woo. You madman! Hell yeah, man! My face is broken, I love this! So a crazy thing that I experienced in Adam Ivel's S15 is actually, I didn't really feel that in the other S15 I rode in before. I don't know if it was to do with the driver style or if it was to do with the car setup, but in Adam's S15 I could literally feel the center point of rotation of the weight of the car. It was crazy. This is something I've never been able to feel in a BMW, personally as a driver. I feel like this further goes to sort of support my point of S chassis being about precision, whereas BMWs are more about like aggression. You have to, I don't know, I need to drive an S chassis basically. But here's the daily, it's looking good. Took me out here, it's not bad. Going in for bodywork soon, this is happening. It's coming close to an end, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a pit walk, show all the best cars. Purple S14 Zenki, very sexy. Not Zenki, Kuki. UK spec, I think, it's quite nice. Adam S15, very good. Very nice E36. S13 hatch, 17s, Skyline with door. Volvo, very nice. S13 Coupe, E92 M3. It's got some new gen wheels on it. JZX 100. The pits are looking kind of empty right now. I feel like a lot of people are on track. E36 Touring on 15s, looks sick. This GS, I think it's got 12 J's in the back or something wild. And Jake, I think he's ready to go. So it's about 3:30 and the track is closed. Everyone who's queuing right now is gonna get final run. Got a lot of sexy cars. The problem is, I wish I brought my high-vis so I can be out on track and get in some actual footage, but smart, good planning. nice YouTuber. I can't do that, unfortunately. I'll probably hang out for a few more runs, but I do have to get out of here. So sick. I do hope that you enjoyed all of this beautiful track day content and the tiny bit of street-o stuff. Also, 318IS is still down. All the parts are ordered though, so should be back online in the next video. I'm not going to give any context, but you might have an idea of what's happening here. You're going to have to subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel to find out exactly what's going on here. Follow me on Instagram @RogueDrive. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.